Hi guys, today we are going to make another video and today we are going to eat in Subway again. And see here we are at the Subway and we are basically actually buying some food. And today I'm going to try to break the record. I'm going to bring every single mayo. And I just brought mine and Kevin brought his. Today I'm going to bring every single vegetable. Let's see how we do. No. And that's what we're going to do, alright? So first we are waiting. Yeah, we together. And yep, and now Kevin's buying at the counter. You can see his ugly face. And the guy that's playing a song, so if you kind of like, okay, so I think we are going to have a vlog soon to Kevin's house. Then we might, yeah, so today I'm going to buy everything. Can I have every veggie? What? Every. Oh, yeah. So see, now I'm going to buy every single veggie available because it's like that. Yeah, we are together. So I'm gonna buy every single veggie. Okay, mine is already topping up. Mine is already topping up. And Kevin's is still very thin. Look, thin like him. Yeah. No, he already says he's going to drink on it. Drink on it, I want drink. Sauce, can I have mayonnaise and mustard? Same, yeah. Yeah. Guys, not too much ice. Can I have? Thanks. So see, I have so much vegetable. If you can see, sorry. And this is how much I'm going to deal with. And they're going to pack it up. Yeah, because you're right there. They're going to pack it up. Well, later we're going to... Yeah, I'm doing. Actually, by right, you should ask permission for PD.